Things change. Things change.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Here, you can have this back because I think it's flying well enough. I can go and make you skate, huh?
Oh yeah, I used to, man. I used to do a lot of skating. I think that's kind of what I brought.
To teach myself how to skate. So I just bought myself a deck.
Yeah.
And yeah. Figure,
You know what I
I'm
wanna
too old.
do?
I'm 44.
I want to incorporate skating with all this technology and do like I've seen these guys. They have these fucking electric
First person.
skateboards
Yeah.
and just fucking cruising, dude. Like don't touch anything. Just go to the town or go cruise some of like the walkways here. Would be
You know I
awesome.
have one, right?
An electric one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you were saying something to Jordan, I think, about it, huh? Because he had that fucking unicycle thing.
Here, check this out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my Evolve.
Exactly.
That's why I'm broke, dude. I dropped $2,000 on that fucking thing. Oh, that's how I was gonna bring it.
Dude, dope.
And we could have ridden it around here.
Next time.
Be here for a minute. I'll run home and get it. I live 2 blocks away.
26 miles an hour.
It's scary as fuck at full speed, dude.
Yeah, dude. It's
Scary
going on a
as
fucking
fuck.
plank, bro. Like 26, holy shit.
But
That's whipping.
nuts at that speed.
Things change. Things change. Things change. Check it out.
No, there's nothing I can do but let it pass. Change has caught me all so fast before my very eyes. Change flutters like a butterfly. There's nothing I won't do to